Building client portals for different clients can be a challenge, but with SuiteDash, you can easily create customized solutions that cater to a variety of needs. Stay tuned to learn how you can streamline your client management process and deliver a seamless experience to each and every client. First, let's dive into how SuiteDash allows you to create unique client portals. Unlike other platforms that only provide a one-size-fits-all solution, SuiteDash lets you customize portals with different branding for each client, ensuring they get a personalized touch. This flexibility makes SuiteDash stand out as an all-in-one tool for client management. You can set up portals based on the specific services you're offering, whether it's project management, file sharing, or invoicing. Next, let's talk about the powerful features SuiteDash offers for managing your client portals. One of the standout features is its robust workflow automation. You can automate repetitive tasks like sending emails, reminders, or invoices, saving you time and reducing human error. This is particularly useful if you have multiple clients with different needs. Automation ensures that your clients' requests are handled promptly and consistently, improving their overall experience with you. The third thing that sets SuiteDash apart is its secure file sharing and document management system. You can upload files to each client's portal, control who has access, and track when they've been downloaded or viewed. This level of transparency is crucial when you need to ensure your clients have access to the right materials at the right time. No more email chains or lost documents. SuiteDash keeps everything neatly organized in one place. Now, let's talk about the client communication features. SuiteDash offers integrated messaging and video calling, so you don't need to switch between multiple tools to communicate with clients. This seamless communication platform makes it easier for you to stay in touch with clients, resolve issues faster, and maintain strong working relationships. It also eliminates the need for third-party tools, keeping everything within the SuiteDash ecosystem. The fifth thing you'll appreciate about SuiteDash is the client onboarding process. SuiteDash makes it easy to onboard new clients by providing automated welcome emails, forms, and even contracts. You can create a smooth onboarding flow that feels professional and welcoming, helping to set the tone for a positive relationship right from the start. But here's the deal: while SuiteDash is a powerful tool for building client portals, there are some alternatives that may better serve your specific needs. For example, tools like Zoho Projects and Monday.com also offer customizable portals with great client collaboration features. However, they often come with more complex pricing structures or steeper learning curves, which could slow you down when you're just getting started. At the end of the day, SuiteDash offers one of the most comprehensive solutions for building client portals, especially if you're looking for an all-in-one system with excellent customization options. But if your goal is to have a more intuitive, flexible system with better integrations, some of these alternatives might work better for you. I'll be sharing those in just a moment. Lastly, I've got an exclusive deal for you. If you're ready to try SuiteDash, there's an extended free trial available through the link in the description, along with some exclusive benefits just for our viewers. But as promised, I've also included some amazing alternatives that have free trials too, so you can choose what works best for your business. Be sure to check those out. Don't forget to grab the best offer through our link and start building client portals that will take your client management to the next level.